Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It is Anna Gray. Call me Banana. I am a little exhausted. I don't know if you guys have ever been on YouTube and you've come across videos about Orange Theory. Well, there's this one video out there that says give yourself 20 minutes after your workout to sit in your car and catch your breath. Literally, like sit in your car and catch your breath. So I have been sitting in my car for probably 15 minutes and I've now caught my breath after my workout. So I decided what a perfect way to come live with you to talk about how to use your Facebook page and your Facebook group together. Okay, there's always this question: what's the difference between a Facebook page and the difference between a Facebook group? They are different, my friends. They're different. Okay, but there's a very easy way to distinguish the two and also use the two. Consider your Facebook page your billboard. This is where people are going to find you. They're going to connect with you. They're going to see you on video, or they're going to see your post. They're going to say, hey, who is this person? What does this person stand for? And what do they teach? What are the solutions that they have for me? Okay, so you are using your Facebook page as your billboard. It's that first impression. That is what your Facebook page is. First impression. Okay, yes, you can build a community on your Facebook page, but it's very difficult. It's very, very difficult. And the Facebook algorithm does not work in your favor at all to build a community unless you pay to show your videos in front of your audience all the time. So consider your face on your page your billboard. This is your cold market audience, and yes, your warm market can come on there and support you and say, hey, I support you, and all of the above. But your Facebook group is where you develop the relationships, where you have those conversations. You know exactly where to go. People are more inclined to speak up in your Facebook group because they know that they are in a safe environment. They know that they are being heard. They know that they are being supported by a group of people, by a community, not just you. That is the difference between the Facebook group and the Facebook page, but use them together, okay? Bring people in from your Facebook page to your Facebook group, build those relationships in your group, and keep sharing on your Facebook page so that you're always, always, always growing your audience, all right? That's my quick tip for the day, and I'm going to go shower. Have an awesome night, you guys.